It's day 3 for the Intermountain Energy Summit. Officials from all over the U.S. came to talk nuclear energy, including the U.S. Secretary of Energy himself.
Local News 8's Bree Clark got a chance to speak with him about the nation's push for an energy policy. And Bree, the legislators were saying that Idaho and the INL are a very key component for the national policy.
Well, Jay Carroll, it's been said that Idaho's national lab is the national leader for nuclear energy, so it would only make sense for officials to start their conversation right here in Idaho as they look toward a national policy.
One of the failures of our Congress and one of the failures we've seen in our country is we haven't put one together. And we haven't got one yet, but we are starting to get there.
Idaho Senator Mike Crapo says a national energy policy has been a long time coming. With officials from all over the continent, discussions continue at this year's Intermountain Energy Summit.
And there are so many different opportunities for us to be a part of a broad, diversified energy policy for our country that it's critical that we get our national leadership here as we engage in that discussion.
U.S. Secretary of Energy Ernest Moniz says the only way to approach the policy is to cut nuclear costs and increase nuclear efficiency with innovative technology.
Especially when I compare 15 years ago at INL to today at INL, I've seen a tremendous transformation in terms of the research and analysis and testing infrastructure for nuclear, but also beyond nuclear.
One of the biggest pushes for infrastructure is the INL's partnership with NuScale small modular reactors.
Small modular reactors, the issue is going to be, will the opportunity for quality assurance in a manufacturing environment bring the cost down? That's what we have to find out.
And then, of course, you have to build it. But Crapo says this is just one piece of the pie, and there are several factors that could play in drafting the policy.
Whatever the national energy policy is and whatever our regional role in that is, there's no doubt that nuclear power will be a key part of it.
The Secretary of Energy also said $67 million have been awarded to university research and technology advancements for nuclear energy. $3.7 million of those dollars have been awarded to the lab, Idaho State University, and Boise State. Live in the studio, I'm Bree Clark.
Thank you, Bree. That's good news.
It is.
Wyoming coal